Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope you have seen the last video where I have shared the complete syllabus of your LIC HFL interview. Now moving forward, I am going to share the 10 most important technical questions which you are going to face in your LIC HFL interview for sure. Out of that 10, 2-3 questions will be there for sure. इन 10 में से आपको 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन देखने के लिए जरूर मिलेंगे. So welcome to Guidely guys. First of all, most important information, LIC HFL proper interview batch with the complete guidance regarding housing finance. After that, NHB regarding your profile, regarding the current update, everything is there within the batch. You can join the batch, complete your session, go for the mock interview and then go for your interview confidently. चलिए move करते हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन रहेगा, what is housing finance company? In the last session I have told you the updated definition. मैंने आपको पिछले सेशन में updated definition भी बताई थी that housing finance company definition got changed, so that we need to cover how it is different from a bank. बहुत ज्यादा पूछते हैं कि इसकी functioning बैंक से कैसे अलग है. I'll give you a normal thing. Usually what banks do for providing the housing loan, bank do check the credit score properly. Those who are weaker in the credit score, bank avoid providing them loan. जिनका क्रेडिट स्कोर थोड़ा कम होता है ना, बैंक उनको अवॉइड करते हैं, लोन प्रोवाइड नहीं करते. बैंक बोलता है नो 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 सर, यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल, योर क्रेडिट स्कोर इज लो, यू हैव डन एनी टाइप ऑफ डिफॉल्ट इन द पास्ट, सो वी आर अनेबल टू प्रोवाइड यू लोन. हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी टारगेट दिस टाइप ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स. ऐसे लोगों को हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी टारगेट करती है जो वीक है क्रेडिट स्कोर में. हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी टू प्रोवाइड लोन टू सच टाइप ऑफ बोरोवर्स who are not eligible to get mostly loan from the bank, or they are facing difficulty to get the loan from the bank, and housing finance company provide them loan on higher rate of interest. So for a customer advantage, if they are taking loan from a bank, they will get lower rate of interest. But at the same time, if the customer is unable to get the loan or finding difficulty for getting loan from bank, they can go for housing finance company. Mostly housing finance company offer rate of interest little bit higher compared to bank. बैंक के कंपैरिजन में रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ज्यादा होता है बिकॉज दे आर टेकिंग रिस्क. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे आर चार्जिंग अ लिटिल हायर. तो बैंक एनबीएफसी के बीच में मींस हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी बैंक, व्हाट इज द की डिफरेंस? व्हाई यू वांट टू जॉइन हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनी एंड एलआईसी एचएफएल इज अ प्राइवेट कंपनी, सो व्हाई यू वांट टू जॉइन दैट? आप उसको ज्वाइन क्यों करना चाहते हो? रोल ऑफ एनएचबी and role of RBI in the housing finance company. That what is the role of NHB, National Housing Bank? What it do? Do it regulate? Answer is no. It is not regulating housing finance company. Housing finance companies are regulated by RBI. So what is the role of NHB? ये क्वेश्चन बनता काफी ज्यादा पूछा जाता है. About LIC HFL, you need to cover proper product history, current update, recent performance. It is profitable or it is not profitable. What is the difference between loans and advance? Different type of home loans you need to cover properly. Different तरीके के home loan होते हैं, उनको cover करना होगा. Types of collateral, hypothecation, pledge, mortgage. डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मॉर्गेज. आफ्टर दैट मॉर्गेज के टाइप्स बहुत ज्यादा पूछते हैं. सिंपल मॉर्गेज विच इज द मोस्ट कॉमन मॉर्गेज इन इंडिया. इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा होम लोन किस तरीके के मॉर्गेज पर दिए जाते हैं? विच टाइप ऑफ मॉर्गेज वी डोंट यूज इन इंडिया? दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट. Then the loan recovery process in the home loan, loan document list also. That what are the list of document? If a customer comes to your branch and asking you that sir I am looking for the loan, so what are the list of डॉक्यूमेंट यू नीड एट द टाइम ऑफ ऑफरिंग लोन? क्या क्या लिस्ट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट आपको चाहिए होंगे? सो दैट विल बी वन पॉइंट. एनपीए in depth, in detail, you need to cover 2 to 3 topic. One will be loans, different type of loan, different type of home loan, different type of collateral mortgage, and loan recovery. So NPA topic is very important. In NPA you need to cover SMS 0, 1 and 2, special mention account. After that, substandard asset, doubtful asset, loss asset, NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal, Debt Recovery Tribunal, IDRCL, NARCL, insolvency, bankruptcy code. All the data you need to cover properly. These are the most important 10 topic. Don't forget to cover in detail about LIC HFL. Cover the website properly. I have already done in the batch. मैंने बैच में बहुत डिटेल में बताया डिटेल्स अबाउट द LIC HFL that you need to do. Batch is live. You can join it, prepare well, go for the mock interview, and after that, your real interview. All the best from my side. If you want to cover the data, everything is available within the batch. Batch में सारी चीजें available हैं. You can join the batch, and this is the Telegram group where you can connect with me. ठीक है? So please like the session, share with your friend. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.